स्त्री देह खराब हेबारु जीवन नहीं गला डाक्तर स्वामी मन इच्छा देदेला आनास्थेसिया इंजेक्शन ओवरडोज जोगु चलीगला स्त्री जीवन जंत्रणा छटपट हेउथिला स्त्री डाक्तर स्वामी मेडिसिन देले काले भल होइजिबो भाबी भरोसा कला हेले विश्वास रे विष देई मृत्यु मुह को ठेली देला स्वामी देई चलीला हाई डोज आनास्थेसिया इंजेक्शन जेतेबेले स्त्री जीवन गला ताकू जेनेराल डेथ रूप दे देला एपरिक ऑटोप्सी न करबाकू भी चाप पकाइला बेंगालुरु रे घटना आपनकू ताजुब करिदेबो मात्र वर्षक तले डॉक्टर महेंद्र रेड्डी और डॉक्टर कृतिका रेड्डी को विवाह होइतिला कृतिका जणे चर्म रोग विशेषज्ञ थिबा बेले महेंद्र थिले ऑर्गन ट्रांसप्लांट सर्जन कहा जाउछि अत्यधिक गैस्ट्रिक समस्या जोगु असुस्थ रहउथिले कृतिका तांको स्वास्थ्य समस्या रे अतिष्ठ होई महेंद्र खोजिनेला मर्डर शॉर्टकट रोग जंत्रणा रे छटपट कृतिका को अत्यधिक आनास्थेसिया देई मारी देबा परे नाटकीय ढंगरे तांको मेडिकल नेथिला महेंद्र हेले ज्वाई उपरे संदेह हेबारु कृतिका बाप घर लोके हत्या अभियोग आनिथिले हत्याकांडर 6 मास परे एबे सत सामना को आसीछि विसरा रिपोर्ट रे मात्राधिक आनास्थेसिया दिया जाइथिबा जणा पड़िछि
इन दी मार्केरी पुलिस स्टेशन लिमिट्स in the month of April 2025 there was a UDR reported of a lady who had died under mysterious circumstances, but there was no complaint as such. But the case, somehow the police have done a good job in this, in the sense that they have collected the evidences properly. The SOCO team has collected the evidences properly and sent it to the FSL. The post-mortem report was also inconclusive because the viscera was sent. All these reports which came recently that there is an excess use of propofol, which is a sedative which is used in anesthesia. After that, the person has died. Subsequently, based on the complaint of the father of the deceased, case of murder has been taken up, and the prime accused as of now, the husband of the deceased, who is working as a doctor in a government hospital, has been secured from Udupi. Detailed investigation will be now taken up under the supervision of the Joint Commissioner, because initially no one gave a complaint, but the FSL reports point to something which is very serious. So this case has to be taken to its logical end. Charge sheet has to be submitted. So the evidences which have been collected till now point out to the hand of his husband, of her husband, because he was the person who has brought the brought her to the hospital initially and had never complained of what happened, and told that she was not in good health and she was undergoing treatment. But now we are seeing that the treatment which she was undergoing, she has been injected with sedatives, which goes to show that there was a malfied intention. So these details have to be investigated.
कृतिका को प्रोपोफॉल भली पावरफुल एनेस्थेटिक ड्रग दिया जाइथिबा फोरेंसिक साइंस लैबोरेटरी रो जांच रे जणा पड़िछि स्त्री को हत्या अभियोग रे महेंद्र को गिरफ्त करी 7 दिनिया रिमांड रे नेछि बेंगालुरु पुलिस कुहा जाय डाक्टर भगवान का अन्य रूप कारण जणे डाक्टर रोगीर चिकित्सा करी मरण मुहरु फेराई आनी थांती हेले एठी जणे डाक्टर राक्षस अवतार समस्त को चकित करिछि। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट ओडिशा रिपोर्टर।